Hello everybody, I'm meteorologist Stephen Shively with the National Weather Service. Did you know that while water and metal do not attract lightning, they are excellent conductors of electricity? And the current from a lightning flash will easily travel long distances. So stay away from water, wet items such as ropes, and metal objects such as fences and poles. This weather tip is brought to you by the National Weather Service, Polk County Board of County Commissioners, and Polk County Emergency Management.